Hello, in this video I will demonstrate how to register for SAS on demand and how to create the course and how to get started with Enterprise Minor and SAS Enterprise Guide. So the first thing I would do is go to the Google and type in SAS on demand. So I will click on this first link here. That will get me this place. Click on access now, and here you can go through a bunch of information, but maybe I'm interested in this link. So that's a login page you have to go to. Alternatively, you can just go to Google and you can just say, let's say, SAS on demand login, and that's the logon manager. That's what you're looking for, and it will get you the same login screen. So there are two ways to do it. Now here, the first thing I did is I registered for an account. So I clicked on here and fill up my name. Email address is my Gmail address, avikas at gmail.com, and country I selected USA. And once you submit it, they will send you the link, and they will get you registered, and they will create a user ID for you. The user ID will be shown at the end of the registration, as well as they will email you the user ID as well. So in my case, the user ID is avikas0, and my password is my typical goal 000. So avikas0, and that's my password. Once I log in here, again my register email is avikas@gmail.com. I'm going to sign in here. So once you sign in, the first thing initially, I already have a couple of courses, but you'll see this link here. So create a new course. So click on this one, create a new course. You can give the course name, the description, fill up all the information, select what all software you need. I selected Enterprise Miner and Enterprise Guide, and that will instantly get you back here, and it will show you all these applications that you have requested for. So right now I requested for Enterprise Guide and Enterprise Miner. So how to launch this Enterprise Miner here? So first of all, click on the configuration steps here required. So click on this one, go through all this information. You need the Java. Make sure you have the correct version of Java. Especially it needs this version or higher, I guess. So you can quickly make sure that you have all those requirements by going to the control panel. Click on Java here. Go to the Java view here. You can see what's the version you have here. So in my case, it's working fine. I'm gonna cancel this one. So once you have gone through this one, then I'll close this one here. Click on Enterprise Miner, and it's gonna download that main.jnlp file. I'm gonna keep this one, launch this one, and this should launch Enterprise Miner. I will say run here. It might take some time because it has to load all the files and every detail. You guys still working on it. It takes around a minute or so. So until that is working, I will talk about the enterprise guide. So if you want to install the enterprise guide, you have to basically click on that link here, log in your profile, which is avikas@gmail.com, and my password is goal0007, goal0007. So that's that thing. And then so once you log it in here, let's say, so here is my enterprise miner, by the way. It came up here. My user ID is avikas0 and password is goal0007. Click on log on here, and that should launch enterprise miner. Okay. So and then again, you can do the new project which I haven't worked on it yet, but this is working successfully. So I'm gonna minimize this one and quickly walk you through this one here, SAS Enterprise Guide. So so once you log on here, you have to download this file, which is a pretty big file, and run it. And make sure you have this for Microsoft.NET Framework 4.5.1, which you can download here. So if you click here, it will take you to the Microsoft website. It's a long process. It takes time, and I want to download this framework and SDK here. Click on .NET Framework 5.1, 4.5.1, and you can just click on download here, and that should do the trick. It's gonna take some time. It's a very pretty big file here. Okay, so I'm gonna close this one. I will also close this one. Once you've done that, then you can run this file, and it will install the SAS Enterprise Guide client version. Again, it's just a client, so the real software is on the cloud. So once I was done, it gave me the last page of that software. Gave me this file here, so I can go through the additional resources links here and see if they are any useful. I haven't gone through it, but when you get the time, please go through this one. And after successfully installing this one, you should see here all programs, SAS, SAS Enterprise Guide on Demand for Academic 64-bit. So I click on that one. It's gonna launch SAS Enterprise Guide for me. And it should ask you again the user ID and the password. So user ID is avikas0 and password is goal0007, and it should connect to the cloud. There you go. So it's working. So with this, I'm going to close this one. I will close this one here, minimize this one. So again, I don't need this one. So basically, this is your control panel here, control center. Here you will go and launch the website, and down the line you need this uh, directory structure, which I haven't worked on it yet. But as soon as I start working on it, I'll post more detail about the video. So this is pretty much it. Thank you very much for listening.